Climate change, a critical issue demanding attention. Let's explore some important essential facts shedding light on its impact. The Arctic ice is rapidly vanishing, with a staggering 75% loss in just 3 decades. A stark reminder of the crisis at hand. Human activity has significantly spiked CO2 levels, intensifying the greenhouse effect. A concerning trend since the Industrial Revolution. Extreme weather events are on the rise, showcasing the harsh reality of more frequent and severe hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires. Rising sea levels forecast a grim future for coastal regions, potentially submerging cities and displacing millions by the end of the century. Awareness is key. Share this video to spread the message and inspire collective action towards a greener, more sustainable world. Like, share and subscribe for more educational content.